guys, I don't know, it's a girl CC. And this way you see pop up right over here. So guys, right here, so I want you to go over to our page, follow her up, show her some love. Go over there, go check out the nice clean outfit that she have over there. Everything we design over there, guys. Me I tell you, say I get one dress from her. Me I go show on one picture of it, and me I tell you, say bad, me love it, me love. Guys, girls, me know I gonna love that. So guys, just click it, go over there, follow her, and you know, yeah. What's up, guys?
You don't know, say it's your boy Nathan.
And a girl CC.
Yeah, guys, as you can see by the
Guys,
title,
so
you know,
we see we just a smile, so.
problem, go over the more sun. Yeah,
Guys,
too far.
when you see we just a smile, so you must know.
Yeah, guys, so
What's
first I want
up?
to say, yo, thanks to all who support
Everybody,
you guys, you see me?
really appreciate
Really,
everything.
yeah, appreciate
Thank you
that.
so much.
Yeah, guys.
Oh God.
And you know, soon start see them butt prank them for your boy
Yeah.
Nathan, you know. So
Because,
anytime we link up trouble,
yeah,
trouble what?
we just like to get ourselves
Start out
yeah,
with me guys and
and
know.
just know say we never power feet again. Sorry for all who disappoint. But guys, we are going to step up the game and make you feel more happy and make you feel like you don't want left, guys. Tell them, guys.
Yeah.
We mean it, guys, I swear.
Yeah, guys, so just remember say like, share, comment and
And
subscribe.
subscribe
See me?
all the
Thank all
time.
of you for watching ads them guys. And continue to watch the ads them guys. You
Keep
see me?
continue supporting us, guys. We really, God, it work in many ways, guys.
Yep.
You may not answer your prayer as a good team, but remember me tell him, answer it. We want to give thanks to the Lord, to King and Shay,
Yeah,
especially Shay Father, because if I never fit him, who the day here, you get me, guys? So, this time nice, big up yourself, I love you. Yeah. And I really appreciate you being a father to me. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, you do appreciate everything
Yeah.
and
And
very nice.
yeah.
The road is right there, so people, so if you're not here, be a car. Sorry
Yeah,
about
sorry
it.
about that, guys.
Yeah, one night we are talking about it. So guys, when you see the title, I want to know, say, yeah, CC and Nathan been at work. And right now, guys, yeah, how much? But this is the third month now. So you know, say, yeah, we get it right now, guys. And it's there.
It's right.
You see me?
Wanna see what look at something more? Wanna see? Why it's up, wanna see? Alright, I'm gonna show you. Wow. Sorry about that.
Yeah,
So guys,
yeah guys,
we
just
just received our pin, guys. See it there, guys. So now see it good. The back, when you can see the name and such. Nathan Stewart. So
just
yeah.
not even 1 hour ago, people,
Guys,
you see me? So, we have to say a
big
thanks.
thanks.
Thanks to everybody.
All of
Thanks to
What
share
is
and
wrong
thanks
with
to
the
Uno.
noise? Them
You
buying
can,
some of the
other people named
God,
Road.
you are mad.
Yeah, guys, we have to say thanks to everybody who
Everybody,
support me. you see
big
me?
up on yourself, the whole our fans, them,
yeah.
everybody, big up on yourself. We really appreciate it so much.
Yeah, guys, so we get monetized fast, you know, guys, because we know
Yeah.
say yeah, we get as a big help we get,
Yeah.
and it a come through fast. About
big
4
help,
videos,
yeah. And then we
4 videos.
monetize.
Also, and we monetize quick and fast, guys. It take about a month or so, 2 months or so to the pin come out. We get the pin here now.
Yeah.
So, no for only good as serious we get pay a long time and such.
No.
Yes, no
When I
guys,
start.
we must start.
Yeah.
When we collect, we are gonna make you know to
Everything,
yeah,
guys.
first
Yeah.
paycheck over.
Yeah.
Look a bit here. We are gonna make you know the first. Right now, see it here guys, you know say, see it there, I don't know if it just come in, you say it neighbor crush up. See name there right there, so
Yeah, Nathan
you know say
Stewart.
it's a boy Nathan.
Guys, Thank you so much,
guys.
guys.
We have to say thanks.
I have to give thanks to King and Chile and everybody,
and
guys.
everybody will click on the video.
Everybody.
See me?
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. We just feel happy because we know say we are trying hard from long time. And then we go Subaman, we lost the channel and we come this far.
See, at the same thing where Audrey did say, you know.
Yeah.
Say, yo, you know,
so we lost the channel and they must say, yo, the best thing that could have ever happened
say, yo,
to
the best thing.
So we not feel self here say, no, we feel that the best thing that them
when
time
you look, when you turn out to it, are the best thing.
The best thing for children.
Cha-cha.
So God is really
couldn't do
working.
This without King and Shay and you guys.
And Mr. Nice.
Yes. Father God, guide me.
All the time.
Yep, see all this.
Blessing to everybody.
When it come, guys, you can't release it when it come. You can't hold it so for 1 second. As I hold it on, I'll read something funny. Talisha. And she will hold it.
Yeah, me will hold it.
And you work feet to hold it.
So God.
Yeah, guys. Jaja. Out of words, I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say either.
King go collect it, you know, and I try hide it.
Hide it from me.
He could have never hide it, because as he goes so boom boom and I try hide it, people. Me I go say, hold up. Pull it back there, and I say, yo, I see you hide something in the charity.
And then tell me because I say, me see it.
And you never see it, just go like this.
Just go like this, see it. Say, yeah.
Nice, please. Don't pass back with that truck, sir.
Everybody will subscribe to it. Everybody will like the video and
share it, comment.
Share it.
I have to say
Thank
thanks
you so
because
much, guys.
Yeah.
Without we
could
do it
happen.
so far.
Could happen.
So,
right now, guys, I road to 20k, so just please, we are begging you guys, share our channel.
Subscribe.
Share our
and
channel.
we promise we soon get some bangad. When we say bangad, we mean real banger.
Banger, yeah.
Banger.
You love follow me about bangers. You see me, guys, so you know.
I go get ourselves
straight out
and get back on the chat. We promise you know that. Yeah. So we reached the end of the video, guys. Please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep on sharing us, guys. We really appreciate everything.
Yeah.
So until
yeah, guys.
As online working, you love laughter like you're idiot. So good morning, Miss Chanel Coley.
Good morning, Miss.
Call her, talk your name. No fuck with me, you hear? Online work hard when I tell you, pin never send in here. You talk about good morning, Miss. Give me this, yeah. Say your name.